In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the new prep printing override feature that was released in version 2020.1226. This new feature allows you to override your prep printing by item. And before we take a look at that, let's take a quick look at how prep printing will be determined by default and the new improvements in that part of the program as well. So if you go to point of sale, system setup, and sales categories, we'll use our appetizer category, for example. In here, there's a tab for prep printing. Now, in previous versions, you were only able to input 3 different prep printers in this section. In version 2020.0601, you can now input up to 15 different prep printers, which is fantastic. And all of these printers will be your default printers for this particular sales category. So just for our example today, in the dining room, if I order an appetizer, it's going to go to the cold and the hot printers. Now, in version 2020.1226, you can override these printers based on the sales items. So let's exit out of here, and we'll go into point of sale, system setup, and sales items. We'll take a look at one of our appetizers, let's say the mozzarella sticks. And then on the right-hand side of the screen, we have our prep printing override tab. So we'll click into there. And once again, these are our default printers, and that all comes over from the sales category. But in the dining room, we're going to override these printers because of our mozzarella sticks. They're only supposed to go to the hot printer. So I'm going to mark that flag as active. Now that frees up this first line for this particular sales area. You'll notice it's a different color now. And then we can override our default printers. So I'm going to input just the hot printer, and it's not going to go to the cold printer. So then we'll just click OK.